So I have this huge desk, and on my desk I have a lot of devices, and there are scenarios where I want to charge my devices simultaneously. And when you have more than 4 to 5 devices to charge all together, it becomes difficult because then you have to get at least 2 to 3 power adapters, and then each one should have at least 2 ports and then one type C port and type A port. So this whole situation was becoming complex. So I wanted to find a solution, and I found it in the form of this Portronics Adapto 100-watt charger. So this is a charger, we can say, or a power brick or an adapter, because what it does is it takes the input directly from the power supply. You can just plug it into the wall socket, and then it can distribute it through different ports, maybe type C and then type A. So let's unbox this product and we will test it out to see whether this is a really useful product or not. So my name is Nadeem Ahmed and you're watching the Geek Cat. Let me first show you my setup and then you will understand what was the problem I was facing. So I have this huge table where I have a mount where I connect my Lumix S9, which is a full frame camera, to get this top to down shot which you are watching right now. And I have a LED light which is throwing light here so that everything is brightened up. Then I have my few other accessories which I need to charge every now and then, like my Lumix S9 battery and my DJI Mic Mini. So all these items I have to charge every now and then because I go for shoot almost alternate day, and having those many type C cables and those many adapters was becoming difficult because even on my Mac Mini I have limited ports. So I looked on Amazon and I found this device which was under my budget. It was like 4,100 rupees. With Amazon Pay ICICI card discount I was able to get it in like 3,800 rupees. So this product comes in a box, and then you can see the features of it just written here. So this power brick delivers 100 watt of output. Now the 100 watt is combined. It's not like each port will give you 100 watt of output, and that is not even possible. There are few costly bricks by companies called as UGREEN and other few companies like Belkin and Anker which provide such functionality, but I really don't need that much. I just want my device to keep running when I'm recording the video. So this adapter has total 5 ports. There are 3 USB type C ports and then 2 type A ports. So this is the Adapto power brick. Right now it's connected to the power supply. So as you can see on this image which is available on Amazon, first type C port can deliver 100 watt of output. The other type C ports can deliver 45 watt of output, and the type A ports, these can deliver 30 watt and 30 watt of output. So the combined will always be 100 watt, but this is of course distributed among the ports, and I think you will never gonna use all of them together. And even if you do, you can put for example your laptop on this port which is a type C, and then rest of the devices you can put on this. It also comes with this beautiful display which displays how much power is being used by each of the devices. So this is my desk. As you can see, it's quite big, and I have a stand mounted here. So there are a lot of devices here. So the first one is, you can see this light, and I need to connect it to a power source device which I need running and charging continuously. Then I have my camera which is my Lumix S9. I need this because this device records the top to down shots. This device also needs to be connected to the power source, otherwise it will run out of the battery soon. And here I have connected this to my PC Mac Mini. The Mac Mini is here. If you see this place, so here my Pocket 4P which I'm holding right now will go, and this also needs to be charged. I have many devices which needs to be charged at a single time, and other than that I also have to charge my phone, and then I have to charge my camera battery, or maybe I have to charge the DJI mic, and whenever I am going for a shoot then I have to charge multiple devices all at once. So in that case this device is coming handy, and it is running right now. Let's see how we can use it and how the power is distributed. So the build quality device is quite decent. It is made up of hard plastic. screen is also very nice. It is even in this bright light, you can see what's written here. It has this like, you know, retro kind of text with small dots. The whole display is designed, and it's very minimal. So if you will put it on the table, it will not only look good but also, you know, add to the aesthetics of your desk. There is also a small rubber plate here which can stop your device from, you know, skidding on the table. So this was one accessory which I added on my desk, and it is a wonderful device. I think it's value for money. You can easily get it for 4,000 rupees on Amazon. So if you are looking for a adapter which can charge your multiple devices, type C and type A port will just do the job, then you should definitely buy it. The buying link is in my description, and for more videos like this, you can definitely subscribe to the channel and make sure to like the video. I will see you in the next video. Take care, God bless you all, and bye bye.